React.js is an open-source JavaScript library used for building user interfaces, UIs. It was developed by Facebook and is now maintained by Facebook and a community of individual developers and companies. React allows developers to create reusable UI components and build complex, interactive web applications. React is based on a component-based architecture, which means that UIs are broken down into small, reusable pieces called components. Each component can manage its own state, which makes it easier to build and maintain large, complex applications. One of the key benefits of React is its ability to efficiently update the UI when the underlying data changes. React uses a virtual DOM, document object model, which is a lightweight representation of the actual DOM. When changes are made to the data, React compares the virtual DOM to the actual DOM and only updates the parts that have changed. This makes React fast and efficient, even for large, complex applications. React is also highly extensible and can be used with other libraries and frameworks, such as Redux for managing state, React Native for building mobile apps, and Next.js for server-side rendering. React has become extremely popular in recent years and is widely used by companies such as Facebook, Netflix, Airbnb, and Dropbox, among others. It is also supported by a large and active community of developers who contribute to the library and create a wide range of plugins and tools to enhance its functionality.